Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Time. Wind turbine, she works. Now, it's solar panel time. I got this thing in a position where it can be worked on. I got some screws. I got one here and one over there to hold it upright. I got the struts. Eventually, when we put it into working mode, it'll capture the sun. Now, there's very little shade where we're at for the time it is. So, I know for a fact we're going to capture a lot of sun because a lot more sun over there than there is over here, but we're still in the sun, right? And it's like 10 o'clock. But, you know, more trees get their leaves, more we lose. So, we are going to start getting these panels up. So, I hope you stay with me to the end of the video. I don't know how far we're going to get today. Wiring issues, using tools they ain't never used before, could be a challenge. Hey, look at that, the windmill's spinning around a little bit. Hey, we're making voltage. Let's get started. Alright, get the first one out. Got these from Amazon. They're high quality premium solar. As you can see, I want to make sure I keep the wires on this down. So let's see how well this goes. God, I hate mud. Come on. Gotta get this thing on straight. It's not gonna go on like oh. Huh. That's funny. Okay, this wood strength. Ow. I'm gonna have to loosen up this. God, I got another 6 inches of mud on my shoes. I hate mud. I hate mud season. I'll be right back. I gotta loosen up these screws. Put a piece of plywood down. It's just so muddy here. Once we've had a lot of rain. That's one. I'll loosen up 2 of the screws. I can always tighten them up later. Come on. Funny how you build something on the bench. Then when it's time to put it together, I don't want to go. But hey, wood's shrinking all the time, but then again, out here in the weather, you know. Alright, got 2 more. guess the key is to get it sitting on the truck. Alright. Looking pretty good. So, next thing we gotta do is tighten up these screws. You always gotta have adjustability with everything you build. Alright, got them up. Now let's see how hard it's going to be to put this end panel on. May have to loosen this thing up a little bit to get some of these other screws in. The angle of this is not exactly straight up and down. Let me get a extension, like it would make it work. There's so much mud around here. All right. Out a little bit. The house wrong. Now, one thing I wanted to do, if possible, hopefully get out of the mud. I got this plywood down. Let's see if I can't get you behind here. Yeah, there's not enough room to see, got negative, positive. They're not color coded. But yeah, these panels are pretty cool. I was kind of hoping there was a hole. I couldn't remember if there was a way that I can bolt and nut these things together. I think I'll have to come up with something a little bit different. But this is what it looks like from behind. I want to try to keep the cables on this board here as much as possible. I'm just going to have to think of what else I can do here. Well, I'll give you an update as I go. Bolted the ones on the inside because I didn't think these would really go much of any place. Plus, I didn't get enough hardware. I can always fix that later. But anyways, looks pretty good. Now we got to figure out if I need to do something with the panel itself. Okay, we're going to go ahead, put the struts on, because I think I can wire it just as easy, actually easier this way, So these are 3/8 stainless steel bolts so they don't rust. Have to stand a muddy environment. Feel my foot slipping on that brick. Right. That went a whole lot easier than the other side. So I got a flat, a lock, and a nut. I remember the last time I was doing this, slipped in the mud, I had that wrench hit me right in the face. Not today. Alright. That ain't going nowhere. Only thing left to do is wire it. With that, my friends, we're going to be doing that another day. We're in another video, I should say. But it's up. Honestly, I don't think, they don't move. I don't think they're really going to go anywhere. The, where I bolted some of them together, that's going to be a good place to zip tie the wires up to, you know. I got a switch and I went heavy duty everything, so there's no way this is going to catch fire. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.